Introduction. The concept of disability is regarded as being inherent to the human experience. Every person eventually experiences some type of temporary or permanent disability in their daily lives. People with chronic disability who live to an advanced age typically struggle more and more to operate normally and integrate into society. Since people without any type of disability in them assume responsibility for mutual support and concern. The joint family system that predated modern society was a wonderful source of warmth, caring, and support for those living with disabilities. Due to extremely low number of persons in joint family today, the nuclear family system is becoming a significant barrier for people with disabilities. Modern society sympathizes with them but view them as burdensome and ineffective. In many families, the state of handicap is connected to the religious belief and is seen as a curse placed on the family by the supernatural. All of these myths and branding made the population of people with disability absolutely dependent and unproductive. The physical and social conditions are hampered by the incapacitating condition, which also make it difficult for people to participate fully in society and to take advantage of equal rights and opportunities. Impact of disability on individuals. It is common knowledge that a disability can have a long-term effect on a person. Other aspects of disability, besides cognitive impairment, can leave people and their families confused and uncertain. The young people must make important family decisions, including whether to get married and have kids. People's lives may be prolonged in more extreme situations involving serious medical disease because to advancement in biomedical science and technology. Families may then need to make very tough decisions regarding the methods and tools to employ along with predicted benefits, cost, and length of use. For people with disabilities, completing developmental tasks can be challenging in a variety of ways. This in turn affects their families as well as the family roles that the person with the impairment can play. When a child is young and a handicap may alarm the parents or the child may not respond to their nurturing attempts, which compromises the attachment and bonding that are essential for the growth of trust. The parents' ability to provide for their children may suffer as they feel unqualified to do so. A toddler's ability to actively explore their social environment, which is necessary for the development of autonomy and self control, may be limited by motor, sensory, or cognitive deficiencies. Parents may limit their young child's effort to explore and learn out of concern for harm or further damage, or they may overindulge the youngster out of sympathy or guilt. Parents may try to make up the child's disability by being overly protective or overly selective if others react negatively to it. These parental actions put the child's ability to develop autonomy and self control at risk. When an adolescent has a disability, the developmental goals of adolescence, such as forming an identity and increased autonomy, are more challenging. Most teens go through this process in part by engaging in risk behavior like drinking and smoking. Adolescents with impairments can also take risks. They may refuse medical treatment or alter a prescribed diet in order to get away with it. Sexuality related issues can be particularly challenging for people with disabilities because they worry about their appeal to partners, their sexual performance, and their capacity to ever be married or have children. There is some evidence that suggests that girls may be more likely to become pregnant due to their desire to downplay their disabilities and demonstrate their normalcy. Teenagers with mental illness may be sexually exploited by others.